Hello guys, you're welcome once again to today's video. So today we are still on the 2026 FIFA World Cup. How to apply for the volunteering role for you to become part of the volunteers who are going to work for FIFA in the 2026 World Cup June 11th, which is happening in Canada, Mexico, and United States. So today we are looking at how to start your application. So the first thing that you need to do is to create your account. First is to create your account. So I'll link the link in this video description. So if you tap on the link, this is where it is going to take you to. So you see the FIFA logo and you'll be part of the biggest and the greatest volunteer program in FIFA history. This is the biggest in the FIFA history. So let's scroll down. I've done a video on the requirements, so you can watch that video. I will leave it in this video description. You can read the video how the application journey is like. I've done video on that too, so you can also check that. Now, the moment you get here, you said apply today. Join the FIFA World Cup 2026 volunteer team for one in a generation experience. So start your application. So let's tap on start our application, and it is going to take us to where we can create our account and start our application, where you are going to start with your application. But first you need to create your account. Now the FIFA World Cup 2026 is the biggest ever edition of the global showpiece. Now let's go down. Now the event is happening, or the World Cup will be starting on the Thursday 11 June 2026 to 19 July 2026. Now log in. If you have already created your account, you just have to log in. I have already created my account, but for the purpose of this video, and I want you to also know how you can create your account, I'm going to take my time and show you guys what you need to do in order to create your account. So first of all, log in credentials. Here, that is where you are going to add your email address. Okay, so just enter your email address there. Enter your email address. Now after you enter your email address, you need to confirm your email address. Then you set your password, set a strong password for your account. Then you need to confirm the password. You set a password and then you re-enter the password to confirm. Now the next thing is your personal details. Now go on your first name, write your first name. It should be written as it shows on your passport. Take note, it should be exactly as shown on your passport. So you write your first name, then you write your last name. So first name, then your last name as it appears on your document. You write it there. Good. And then you state your date of birth on the document that you are going to use. That is the travel document. Make sure it is correct. Okay. Then go to the country of residence. Now let me show you guys. With this, it doesn't matter where you find yourself, you can also apply. Now let me tap here and you see all the countries, a lot of countries. I am in Ghana, so let me go to each and show you guys. If you're in Ghana, you can also submit your application. So let's go BC. Let's go EFG Ghana. This is Ghana. Okay. So if you're in Ghana and if you want to apply, you can also do so. You enter your phone number there. Okay. So after entering your phone number, how did you hear about us? Don't say I heard it through the pathway to abroad channel. No, either on the internet, Google, social media, Facebook, anywhere. You just have to enter, or YouTube. You just enter there. Then communication present preferences. Would you like to receive FIFA volunteer newsletter? If you want, yes. If you don't, no. You just have to tick these two boxes here to understand. Then you agree to the terms and conditions of the FIFA volunteering process, and then you also take that, and then I hereby agree the terms and then the services. You agree to it by tapping on these boxes. Okay. And if you want them to send you information about FIFA, you take all these two boxes. What you have to do next is to tap on I am not a robot. You hit on I am not a robot, and after that what you have to do is to hit on create account, and you'll be able to create your account. Now after creating your account, you need to move straight to your email address. They'll send you a link. Go and tap on the email address to activate your account. Now after you activate your account, then you can start with your application proper. So let me log into my account and show you how you can start the application. If you have watched the video up to this point, thank you, and make sure you subscribe. If you are looking for CVs and cover letters for a job application, you can book it through the shop link to the YouTube account or the tag product in this video. If you want me to help you with your visa application, you can also do the same or email me through cv_say@yahoo.com. This video is taking too long. I don't want the video to be long. So in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to select your host country and how to apply. See you. Bye bye.